So hi all mga sis-Mars, another day, another Android phone na naman ang i-unbox natin. As you can see right here, we have the Tecno Poba 7. So this is 256 gigabytes with 16 gig of RAM. So originally, this is amounting of 8,000 pero sa online, kung saan merong link dyan somewhere sa video namin, nabili na lang namin to around 6,500. So as you can see, right here, ayan, ayusin lang natin ang very light ng ating camera. So we have here MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate Processor. Ayan, namatay pa ang ating ring light. Hopefully na nakikita nyo pa rin siya. We also have here 7,000 mAh mega battery capacity. So, ang laki na nito mga sis-Mars, 7,000. Siguro mga 2 years mo na siyang gagamitin. Charis. Mga 2 days, siguro pang matagalan kung basic lang naman ang ginagawa natin sa phone. This is 120 Hz, Full HD Plus with Vivid display. Vivid. Okay. So, we have here the quick specification. Wait lang. So, ayusin lang natin ang ating power bank. Kasi i-charge natin itong ating ring light. Okay. So, ang gagamitin na lang natin is yung screen ng ating computer. Okay. So, going back, we have here the quick specification. As you can see right here, taas natin ang ating camera. Okay. So, 7,000 mAh mega battery with 45 watts flash charge. This is 108 megapixel ultra clear camera and this is IP64 already, meaning dust and water resistant na si ating Poba 7. This is Dolby Atmos with stereo dual speaker. Okay. So, quick specification lang to mga sis-Mars. Basahin natin saglit. So, this is a 4G na merong 6.78 display or size. Camera, rear camera is 108 megapixel. Front camera is 8 megapixel. Okay. So far, yun lang naman yung ating quick specification. Okay. Dolby Atmos. So, tanggalin muna natin siya. Of course, hindi pa yan yung box natin. So, i-slide lang natin ito. Kasi ito talaga yung box natin. Kumbaga, cover lang yan. Oh, okay. From the box itself, klase na kagad. We have a gray box in here. Tecno AI. Okay. Poba 7. Okay. So, very aesthetic and classy yung kanyang design. Let's move this one. Yan, ganyan. Para makita natin. So, open natin siya. Okay. We have here the unit. So, tatabi lang natin to later on natin na i-check. Check muna natin yung loob ng box. So, sa loob ng box, of course, we have here the guide or user guide kinemerus ka na. Ay, hindi. This is this is warranty ata. Wait lang. Double check natin. Yeah, this is a warranty. Warranty. Okay. We also have here warranty. 12 plus 1 months warranty. Meron tayong silicone case. Hard case na to mga sis-Mars with yung matte finish, yung gilid. Later on, ikakabit natin yan. We have here charging cord. Ayan, Type-C charging cord. And of course, ito yung kanilang 45 watts adapter. Okay. So far, yun lang naman yung laman ng ating box, as you can see. So, let's just put this one back. Nasaan yung pin ejector? Wait lang, saan nila nilagay? Just to be transparent kasi, kanina kasi chinek ko na to, chinek na namin to. I don't know if na-misplace ko lang somewhere yung pin ejector or pin eject tool. Siyempre, if bibili kayo sa online, you have to open the unit right away. Kasi nga, di ba, malay natin if by any chance wala talagang laman or may sira si unit, agad-agad natin maibabalik habang nandiyan pa si rider. So, itatabi na muna natin yung box, igilid natin. And let's focus with this Android phone. So, gilid lang natin to. Okay. So, slide lang natin siya. And then, hilahin natin. Okay. So, sa left corner, we have here, power button, and then a volume rocker. Hinaan natin yung brightness. Medyo sakit sa mata kasi nakatutok sa akin. And then, sa bottom part, we have the speaker grills, Type-C, charging cord, microphone, and we also have here earphone jack na lang. Baka magkamali pa ako sa size, mabash pa tayo. We have here the SIM tray. Sa upper part, we have here the speaker grill, sensor, and also microphone. Then, ayan, so sa screen, as you can see, this is a punch hole screen display, and this is the screen that we have. So, dual speaker nga siya. So, 1 and 2 yung speaker nga, as you can see. Meron na din tayong naka-pre-installed na screen protector. Pero para syempre naman, di ba, hindi tayo mag-alanganing gamitin yung ating phone habang, alam mo na, wala pa yung in-order nating tempered glass from Shopee. So, check natin yung camera module and also design of this Android phone. Anyways, the color that we purchased pala is Hyper Titanium. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, sobrang classy and aesthetic yung vibe. It look like a iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium vibe. As you can see, the camera module, we have 3 lenses in here. We have 2 camera lens, and then we have a flash, of course. We have a POBA branding in here. Grabe, apaka-aesthetic ng vibe. Oh, kudos and 10 out of 10 for me. Yung design ng POBA 7 natin, amazed na amazed ako kagad sa kanyang design. Kasi nga dati, yung POBA 5 Pro ko na 5G, ayan, umiilaw kasi yung likod nun. But this time, very aesthetic and classy. Simple and classy in design, and if you're going to tilt the unit in here, as you can see, ayan, tignan nyo naman. Grabe, ang ganda, oh. This is not a glossy finish, matte finish siya, mga sis-Mars, and good thing kasi hindi siya prone sa fingerprint. Grabe, apaka-classy, oh. Tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda itong Android phone na to. Anyways, let's open this one up and set up real quick para makita natin yung inner specification in itong ating Android phone. So, as you can see, open na siya. Ganyan yung ating background or design. This is 120 Hz refresh rate. And tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-smooth yung ating pag-scroll dito. Grabe, oh. Okay, so check natin yung settings. O, saan ba yung settings? Medyo nakakalito lang hanapin yung settings. There you go. Okay, so we have here portrait kineme. Oh, I see. So, check no. POBA 7, Helio G100 Ultimate. Ayan yung ating RAM. So, you see, front camera is 8 megapixel, battery, screen, version, Android version 15. Okay. Wallpaper, you have an option to customize your wallpaper. Okay, so hindi natin itong medyo kakalkalin kasi ilalagay natin yung mga ibang information nito sa ating full review. So, abangan nyo yan mga sis-Mars kasi camera review din natin to kung gaano nga ba kaganda. Pero, I'm sure na maganda din ang camera nito kasi gumamit din naman ako ng POBA 5 Pro 5G noon and that camera is still maganda. Ayan, quick pa-happy lang tayo. Grabe, ang ganda. Ganda naman pala yung camera niya, no? Okay. So, yun lang naman yung quick nating unboxing with this Tecno 7 or Tecno Pova 7. Again, mga sis Mars, if you want to purchase this one, just click the link down below or check the basket here, somewhere sa left side corner. So, kung ako sa'yo, mag-avail na kayo habang nakasale pa sila mga sis Mars kasi apakaganda nitong ating Pova 7. So, yun lang mga sis Mars. Thank you so much for watching and buyers.